Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you step by step how to use Quiet Lab Mouthpiece. So there is 5 quick steps we need to do in order to use it correctly. So the first step, we need to identify the top and the bottom. To identify the upper and lower halves of the device, look for the up and down marks. The mouthpiece works only one way. Using it upside down will be uncomfortable and ineffective. So after that, we will do the second step, which is set your starting advancement. So your mouthpiece arrive in the natural position with no forward jaw movement yet. This is the factory starting point. Once you are comfortable, begin adjusting the lower try forward in small steps to improve results. Next, the third step here is to insert and check fit. So place both tries securely in your mouth and close gently. They should feel snug, not tight. You can gently bend or adjust positioning to fit your mouth shape. Try experimenting with different settings to make it more comfortable. The fourth step here is to start slowly. If it feels awkward at first, this is normal. Wear it for 1 to 2 hours while relaxing on day 1, then progress to full use once comfortable. Experiment with settings only after you have adapted to the feel of wearing the mouthpiece at the current settings. Early comfortable uh, uh, Early comfort in the first 2 to 3 nights strongly predicts success. So take your time to adapt to the mouthpiece and start at lower settings. 5 and last step is to remember to clean it. After each use, rinse with warm water, brush gently with no abrasive toothpaste, or use the Quiet Lab Ultra Stick Cleaner. So then air dry it before storing. Consistent cleaning will help your mouthpiece last longer and help keep your mouth free of bacteria. It should become part of your morning routine. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.